Construction technology and its influence on the development of the construction industry. Technology has played a significant role in the development of the construction industry, allowing for increased efficiency, safety, and sustainability. In this article, we'll explore the impact of construction technology and its influence on the development of the industry. Impact of construction technology. Construction technology has had a significant impact on the industry, with advancements in materials, equipment, and software improving the design, construction, and maintenance of buildings and infrastructure. Here are some of the key ways that construction technology has influenced the industry. Increased efficiency. Construction technology has led to increased efficiency in the construction process, reducing project timelines and costs. For example, the use of Building Information Modeling (BIM) software allows for more accurate and detailed planning and coordination of construction projects, reducing the risk of errors and delays. Improved safety. Construction technology has also improved safety on construction sites, reducing the risk of accidents and injuries. For example, the use of drones and robotics allows for safer inspections of construction sites and structures, while wearable technology can monitor worker health and safety in real time. Greater sustainability. Construction technology has also led to greater sustainability in the industry, with advancements in materials and energy-efficient systems reducing the environmental impact of construction projects. For example, the use of recycled and eco-friendly materials can reduce waste and emissions, while renewable energy systems can reduce reliance on fossil fuels. Enhanced design. Construction technology has also enhanced the design process, allowing architects and engineers to create more innovative and complex structures. For example, 3D printing technology allows for the creation of intricate and customized building components, while virtual reality technology allows for immersive and interactive design experiences. Influence on the development of the industry. The impact of construction technology has influenced the development of the industry in several ways, including adoption of new technologies. The influence of construction technology has encouraged the industry to adopt new technologies and systems, improving efficiency and safety on construction sites. This has led to the development of new tools and software, as well as the integration of existing technologies into the construction process. Emphasis on sustainability. The influence of construction technology has also led to a greater emphasis on sustainability in the industry, with a focus on reducing waste, emissions, and energy consumption. This has led to the development of new materials and systems that prioritize sustainability, as well as the integration of renewable energy systems into buildings and infrastructure. Collaboration and coordination. The influence of construction technology has also encouraged greater collaboration and coordination among stakeholders in the construction process, including architects, engineers, contractors, and owners. This has led to the development of new tools and systems that improve communication and coordination, reducing the risk of errors and delays. Skilled labor requirements. The influence of construction technology has also led to an increased demand for skilled labor in the industry, with a need for workers who are proficient in the use of new technologies and software. This has led to the development of new training programs and certifications that prepare workers for the demands of the modern construction industry. Modular construction. Construction technology has enabled the use of modular construction, allowing for the prefabrication and assembly of building components off-site.